Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports two numbers. That matters because setup differs by model. Once done, collect both carriers' activation info, ICSID or QR, and any PIN. Make sure iOS is updated and you have an iCloud backup. This avoids losing contacts. Insert the physical nano SIM if required, then go straight to settings to add the second line. This first pass gets everything ready so the actual activation goes smoothly and you avoid service interruptions. You now activate the second number by opening Settings, Cellular, Add Cellular Plan, and scanning the carrier QR or entering the SMDP+ activation code. Once added, label each line so you recognize them, primary and secondary or work and personal. Then you decide defaults. Choose which line is for voice, SMS, and cellular data. Also set cellular plan switching and roaming options so calls and data behave as you expect. These middle steps control how your phone chooses lines during calls and data usage. You finish by using the lines. Edit a contact to set a preferred cellular line or pick a line when starting a call or message. That gives precise control. To change data quickly, toggle the active line from Control Center or Settings and watch the signal icons to confirm. If something goes wrong, restart the iPhone, reassign defaults, and check for carrier provisioning problems. Contacting the carrier for eSIM reprovisioning often resolves activation failures. This final troubleshooting tip gets you back on both numbers fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.